Sakshi Banerjee, and this is Vet Speaks by Heads Up for Tails. Your dog or your cat is undoubtedly very special to you. Our pets shower us with warmth, love, entertainment, and emotional support. The least we can do as pet parents is to ensure that our pets remain healthy to continue showering us with that love. Taking your pet for regular visits to the vet helps you collect essential information about your pet's health, about their age at that point in their life. Also, you can catch on certain conditions that may later on become too costly or too complicated to treat. This way, you can stay one step ahead of all the diseases and disorders that may possibly plague your cats and dogs. So let me give you the top 5 reasons why it is essential to take your pet to the vet. Number 1, animals age quicker than us. On an average, a dog or a cat has about 1/5 the longevity of a human. So 1 calendar year for them is almost equivalent to 5 to 15 human calendar years. This is why we need to keep tabs on their health. Number 2, animals can't speak. They can't tell us when they're feeling under the weather. Certain diseases or disorders may not manifest their symptoms, but that doesn't mean your animal is experiencing some kind of pain or discomfort. Vets are trained to pick out minute abnormalities through years of practice, and this can be done during a routine health checkup. Number 3, it is extremely essential to follow up on your annual vaccination and deworming. Annual revaccination helps keep your pet's immunity up, whereas regular deworming keeps worm load low, improves gut microflora, and boosts digestion. Number 4, when you meet your vet and you make regular notes about your pet's health, diet, and exercise, this is all of the difference between your pet leading a healthy lifestyle versus them falling prey to disorders like obesity, arthritis, and diabetes. Lastly, you can ensure good oral hygiene through regular visits to your vet. Chronic diseases of the mouth such as pain, foul odor, gum disease, and tooth loss may cause a lot of problems for your pets, and they also can cause or relate to other systemic diseases going on in the body, which can be kept a check on if you visit your vet regularly. So how often are these health assessment checkups needed? For an adult dog or cat, once a year should be fine. For rapidly growing puppies and kittens, and also for older patients, once every 6 months is essential. If your pet is currently undergoing some sort of medical treatment, the visits will probably have to be more frequent. This is something your vet will discuss with you depending on the severity of the situation. Now, before I go, I'd like to share one more useful tip. Whenever you take your pet along for a checkup, take along a piece of its favorite treat, hand it over to the vet, and let them give it to your pet once the checkup is done. This will familiarize your pet with its vet, and this increased bonding will really help in times of treatment during illness. So, in conclusion, always take your pet to the vet for regular checkups so that you can keep a tab on their health, and always ensure that there is a good rapport between your pet and their vet.